This is going to be part of a series of videos on questions that you often hear at a Western store, but maybe the customer is reluctant to ask or embarrassed to ask. So the first one is going to be about belt buckles. Not specifically the buckle, although I will provide links to all of the buckles, save one, which was a custom buckle, in this video. Please look in the description below for those links. It's more related to how do you change a belt buckle. Surprisingly, a lot of people don't know that these buckles are interchangeable on almost every belt sold at a Western store. It's pretty easy to change, although some require different tools. Let's take a look now at how to change a buckle on all of these belts. This is a custom silver and turquoise buckle on a Cayman alligator belt, and it's going to require a flathead screwdriver to remove these two screws and pull this buckle off. This is a Nokonis buckle on JRC Cavender's in-house belt made out of, I believe that's ranch hand calf, and it's one of the easiest buckles to change. It uses snaps to hold that in place. Remove it, replace it, put the snaps back on, and you're ready to go. I've never had any problems with that. This is a Montana silversmith buckle on a DeSantis, I believe that's saddle leather. It's going to require an Allen wrench to remove this screw. This is the same belt in brown, and today we're going to change these buckles. Let's get started. Remove the screw. The keeper and buckle, along with this piece of leather, come off at once. I like to remove the keeper because it gets in the way underneath the buckle. Now we're going to remove this buckle. The piece of leather holds the buckle to the belt. Slide this through. And you want the nut on the bottom. Slide the stud through. And we're going to take our bolt, tighten that down. That's ready to go. Now you can replace the factory buckle, like so. Sliding the tang of the buckle through. Keeper on top. Back in like this.
Replace the screw.
It's pretty easy, and if you're ever in doubt, just take a look at the end of the belt where it meets the buckle. If you don't see any studs or bolts holding it together, give it a tug where the leather is folded. It should have snaps holding it together. If it doesn't, or if you buy it at Kohl's, it's probably not changeable. I hope that helped.